सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाच्ये मे सदा सुप्रभातम्। सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं संस्कृतकक्षायाम्। अद्य वयं प्रथमपाठस्य अर्थात् सुभाषितानि इति पाठस्य द्वितीयं सुभाषितं पठामः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः सुभाषितानि इति पदस्य अर्थः ज्ञातः आसीत्। एतः प्रस्तुत पाठस्य सुभाषितानि कस्मात् ग्रन्थात् स्वीकृतानि इत्यादि विषयाः अस्माभिः ज्ञाताः आसन्। प्रथमः सुभाषितम् आसीत् गुणागुणज्ञेषु गुणा भवन्ति ते निर्गुणं प्राप्य भवन्ति दोषाः सुस्वादुतोयाः प्रभवन्ति नद्यः समुद्रमासाद्य भवन्त्यपेयाः. So your qualities, when they meet with the person who knows the values of the qualities, that means the better platform when you get, you can excel. That's why most of you are preferring the science schools. Better schooling is very important, so your growth will be better. And if the good boy is kept in a bad company, his goodness will be converted into the mistakes. Just like te nirgunam prapya bhavanti doshaha, your good qualities, if they meet with the person who doesn't know value the qualities, your good qualities also lose their value and they become the mistakes. Just like the water which flows in the river is very sweet and good to drink, but the same water, when it meets with the ocean, the water loses its sweetness and it is not good to drink also. Today we will see the next shloka, second shloka. Sahitya Sangita Kala Vihinaha. Sahitya Sangita Kala Vihinaha. Sakshat Pashuhu Puchha Vishanahinaha. साक्षात् पशुः पुच्छविषाणहीनः तृणं न खादन्नपि जीवमानः तृणं न खादन्नपि जीवमानः तद्भागधेयं परमं पशूनां तद्भागधेयं परमं पशूनां. So as we know that we are all human beings, man is not only a human being, he is a social being too. The only animal which can understand, react, and think on its own is human. That's why we say that we should be fortunate enough to get birth as a humans. So when we get this birth, we should not let it go waste. So in this birth, we have got many things to achieve. So if you don't achieve also, you must have some humane qualities. That is very, very important. Otherwise, the human and other animals, there is no difference. All are the animals. We, as a human, we should stand differently. What makes us different is our attitude, our habits, our approach makes us very different. This shloka suggests the same thing. Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihinaha. As a human, when we are born, we must have the taste of enjoying the literature, Sahityam. We must cultivate the habit of reading. That's why always elders and well learned people always tell us to cultivate the habit of reading. Sahityam, the literature, is very, very important. A good book is equivalent to the 100 advices. So, please, my dear students, please cultivate the habit of reading good books because Sahitya Rachana, you must have the interest in the Sahitya. At the same time, Sangeetam. शिशुर्वेत्ति पशुर्वेत्ति वेत्ति गानरसंफणिः सङ्गीतसारसर्वस्वं शङ्करो वेत्ति वा नवाम्. The music is the thing which makes us to feel very much happy. So we must have that taste of enjoying the music. That's why it's a good habit to listen to the quality music, the classical music you must know. So nowadays many people do not have this habit of listening to the good music. So always make the habit of listening to the very good music. And at the same time, kala, chatushyashti kalaha, art. So we say that 64 varieties of arts are there. So always have the habit of art. Please cultivate habit of drawing, sculpturing, singing, making the sculptures. Many like that. Many are there. Speaking is also an art. So like that, you must cultivate these three habits. That is studying, that is reading good books, listening to the good music, and putting yourself in the art. So practice drawing all this. Vihinaha, one who doesn't have the taste or interest in literature or music or in art. He is Sakshat Pashuhu. He is just like an animal. He is merely an animal. And the animal Pucha Vishana Hinaha. Without the Pucham means tail. This animal who doesn't have the interest in literature, music, and art form is like an animal without any tails and horns. Pucham means tail, Vishana means horns. And this animal Trunam na khadannapi jivamanaha. This animal can live without eating the grass. Trunam nakhadan. Without eating grass, this animal can survive. Tad bhagadeyam. It is the great luck of the animals. Paramam pashunam. All other animals feel so much lucky that this animal who doesn't have interest in literature, music, and art form, he can survive without eating the grass. That is the fortune of the remaining animals. पुनरेकवारं पठामः प्रत्येकस्यापि पदस्य अहम् अर्थं वदामि भवन्तः स्वयं स्वस्व पुस्तकेषु लिखन्तु साहित्यं साहित्यं नाम वाङ्मयं लिटरेचर सङ्गीतं स्वरादिज्ञानं सङ्गीतं नाम म्यूसिक् कला कला चित्रलेखनादीनि षट् चतुष्षष्टिकलाः सन्ति एवं कति कलाः सन्ति इट इज a general knowledge. How many art forms are there? 64 types of art forms are there. Hmm? Vihinaha, one who doesn't have interest either in literature, music, or in art form. Sakshat Pashuhu, he is directly Sakshat, completely, he is an animal, Pashuhu. Pucha Vishanahinaha. Pucha, tail, Vishanam, horns. Generally, animals will have these tails and horns, but this animal who doesn't have interest in literature, music, and art form. He is the animal without the tails and horns. Trinam na khadannapi jivamana. He can live without eating the grass. Tad bhagadeyam. It is the lucky. It is a matter of luck for remaining animals. Paramam Pashunam Shreshtham Ityartha. Sahityam Vangmayam Sangeetam Swaradignanam Kalaha Chatushashti Kalaha Santi Vihinaha Nama Rahitaha साक्षात् प्रत्यक्षम इत्यर्थः पशुः प्राणिः पुच्छम पुच्छम नाम लाङ्गूलम् विहीनः हीनः तृणं घासं न खादन् न भक्षयन् अपि जीवमानः जीवति तत् तत् नाम तृणं विना खादति तृणं न खादन् अपि जीवति इति भागधेयं भाग्यस्य कारणम् अस्ति परमं श्रेष्ठं पशूनां प्राणिनाम् इत्यर्थः अस्ति एतस्य पुनः एकवारं श्लोकं गायामः साहित्यसङ्गीतकलाविहीनः साक्षात् पशुः पुच्छविषाणहीनः तृणं न खादन्नपि जीवमानः तद्भागधेयं परमं पशूनाम् साहित्यसङ्गीतकलाविहीनः साक्षात् पशुः पुच्छविषाणहीनः तृणं न खादन्नपि जीवमानः तद्भागधेयं परमं पशूनाम् अनन्तरश्लोकः अस्ति तृतीयः श्लोकः लुब्धस्य नश्यति यशः पिशुनस्य मैत्री नष्टक्रियस्य कुलमर्थपरस्य धर्मः नष्टक्रियस्य कुलमर्थपरस्य धर्मः विद्याफलं व्यसनिनः कृपणस्य सौख्यं राज्यं प्रमत्तसचिवस्य नराधिपस्य लुब्धस्य नश्यति यशः पिशुनस्य मैत्री नष्टक्रियस्य कुलम् अर्थपरस्य धर्मः विद्याफलं व्यसनिनः कृपणस्य सौख्यं राज्यं प्रमत्तसचिवस्य नराधिपस्य लुब्ध से किसका क्या नष्ट होता है who will lose what it is very well explained in this shloka so in bhagavad gita shri krishna tells yogakshemam vahamyaham the tagline of lic life insurance of india is also yogakshemam vahamyaham it is told in bhagavad gita yogaha kshemaha see very important at this time you must know what is meaning of yoga what is meaning of yoga the asanas you see is it yoga yoga means add yoga means plus so the real meaning of yoga is apraptasya praptihi what you don't have that you are going to get that is called yoga and क्षेमः क्षेमः क्या आप कुशल हैं every time we ask that means क्षेमः so all are fine so what is that fine whatever you got are you protecting that that is the kshema the meaning of kshema is what you have earned are you protecting that that is called kshema so that is why if you take in a economical sense, to become rich, you must have these two. What is that? Yoga and kshema. Yoga means getting the new things, new income, earning more is yoga. Kshema means what you have earned, are you protecting it? So if you earn more and don't protect, whatever you are earning, it will go loss. Is it? You are only protecting, not earning, so it is not sufficient. So that's why in the life you must have yoga and kshema. In this, whatever you have earned, so how to protect it and what makes it to lose, it is very well explained. Lubdasya nashyati yashaha. The fame which you have earned, it will go if you are greedy. A greedy man's fame will go. He loses his fame. Lubdaha. ऐसे अधिका इच्छा भवति, सह लुब्धः भवति, लोभी, जिसका लोभ है उसका यश नष्ट हो जाता है. पिशुनस्य मैत्री. पिशुनस्य मैत्री नश्यति. A miser loses his friendship. Is it not? If you are a miser, the friendship you have with your friends, you will lose it. So that's why never be miser with the friends especially. नष्टक्रियस्य कुलम नश्यति. नष्टक्रिय, जिसका काम नष्ट हो गया है, वन हु डजंट हैव द वर्क टू डू, हिज फैमिली विल सफर. कुलम नश्यति. अर्थपरस्य धर्मः. हु इज behind the money, always thinking of money, 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 he will lose the good deeds he has to do. One who looks for the money, he doesn't look for the good deed. Hmm? By hook or crook, he wants to earn the money. Such person never sees what is good. Vidya phalam vyasaninaha. Vyasaninaha. If you fall into the prey of the bad habits, whatever the knowledge you have gained, you will lose it. So once you are in the bad habits, your knowledge will not remain with you. Krupanasya saukyam. Kanjus. One who is a kanjus. Here also pishunaha krupanaha samanartham. If you are a kanjus, you will lose all your happiness. Is it not? So you will be using your money to count only, not to enjoy out of it. So you will not get any happiness if you are a kanjus. Rajyam, the kingdom. प्रमत्त सचिवस्य नराधिपस्य. नराधिपस्य प्रमत्त सचिवस्य. नराधिपः, नराणाम अधिपः नराधिपः, king. If a king has a foolish minister, pramatta sachiva. Pramatta means foolish, sachiva means minister. If a king has a foolish minister, that's why for a king minister is very very important, because he looks his kingdom through his ministers. His ministers are his eyes. That's why subordinates are very very important. If the king has a foolish subordinates, he loses his kingdom. That's why a king must always look into his ministers. Ministers should be of the good qualities. If they are fools, if his ministers are fool, that king automatically loses his kingdom. That's why lubdhasya nashyati yashaha. विशुनस्य मैत्री. नष्टक्रियस्य कुलमर्थपरस्य धर्मः. विद्याफलं व्यसनिनः कृपणस्य सौख्यं. राज्यं प्रमत्तसचिवस्य नराधिपस्य. एकवारं गायामः. लुब्धस्य नश्यति यशः पिशुनस्य मैत्री नष्टक्रियस्य कुलमर्थपरस्य धर्मः विद्याफलं व्यसनिनः कृपणस्य सौख्यं राज्यं प्रमत्तसचिवस्य नराधिपस्य. Please note down these shlokas and try to by heart them. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam. Dhanyavad.